This is a brand from Heat Controller which is a part of Motors and Armatures and is made in America, but the units are only sold through factory authorized dealers in the USA. The TRG-R Model 14-seer air conditioners use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32, and they are relatively loud with noise ratings of 77 decibels. The units can be field converted from roof mount down discharge to slab mount side discharge and offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts. The units feature a drain pan float switch that stops the unit from operating if the condensate drain becomes clogged. This can prevent damage to the inside of the building when the units are mounted on the roof. They are backed by a pretty good guarantee that includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure within the first year. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.